Welcome to this exercise on gap analysis. Here we have some information on a certain company or product, and we have the given data for 3 years and then the forecast or a first forecast for the next 2 years. In each of the 5 cases we have production or sales numbers, the unit price by which this product is sold, and calculated from both of them as multiplication of both the revenue pool and then as a given share of the revenue pool the profits. However, for some unforeseen circumstances we have to adjust the 2024 forecast because the given information is no longer accurate. The particular adjustments we have to consider are as follows. First off, my sales numbers will no longer increase but shrink by 5%. However, unit prices will at least remain stable, if not increase as shown here. Second, the profit margin can be increased to 35%. So we will have a higher profit share even though sales and unit prices will not increase distinctly. Well, our job now, adjust the estimate and calculate the resulting gap, so the difference between new estimated profits and estimated profits given here. To achieve this goal, first I'm copying the 2 sentences with the adjustments and the data for the first 3 years. And then we're going to do all these changes which I mentioned. First off, sales numbers will shrink by 5%, so they're only at 95%. So I'm going to multiply this value here with 0.95, giving me then the new value, the new forecast for sales numbers, 2024 here. Unit prices will remain stable, so I can just copy paste the unit prices from 23 into 24. Multiply these 2 values and get my new forecast for revenues in 2024. Then I have the information profit margin can be increased to 35%, so I'm going to multiply the revenue pool with 0.35, giving me the new profits. These new profits I'm going to compare with the previous profits from the first forecast, which are repeated here as 1,311, and I get a difference of 123.97. This then is my gap, the difference between the old forecast and the newly adjusted forecast. Well, this then already brings me to the end of this exercise. I hope you enjoyed it. I say goodbye and see you next time.